Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So we continue watching the state of Florida for any kind of rain shower activity. And again, like yesterday, most of the activity is well to the north. We do have some scattered showers out in Gulf waters, and we will see a few of them move onshore during the later morning and especially around lunchtime. Now, however, the rain chance is small, and unlike yesterday, we don't have any really large complexes of big thunderstorms producing lots and lots of lightning out in the Gulf like we did yesterday, which caused outflow to move into our area and produce some very heavy rainfall in parts of Manatee County. Fast-moving rain showers is what we might expect to see today. Those showers producing very brief hits of rain and not much in the way of total accumulations. And like I said, I think the best chance of these storms to survive the motion eastward will be when we have a little bit of daytime heating to help keep them sustained. So, excuse me, so we'll look for about a 40% chance of a noonday shower, 83 degrees by that point, and 86 degrees as we head into the 3 p.m. hour with about a 30% chance of rain. The reason we trend down those rain chances into the afternoon is because we're pushing the showers further and further into inland areas away from coastal regions. And by the time we hit the evening, I think there's only going to be a slight chance of a shower, mostly inland, and the coastline will be pretty quiet. So over the course of the afternoon, we put the futurecast into motion. You'll notice that mix of sun and clouds during the morning hours, followed by a few scattered showers beginning to move onshore as we head into the 9:30, 10 o'clock. And then as we get into the afternoon, some bigger storms will be building in inland areas, drifting toward the other coast, while our coastline kind of quiets down just a little bit. We'll have some residual cloud cover left over perhaps during the evening hours, but that should give way to clearing skies, and by the time we hit tomorrow morning, we'll start to see a few scattered showers again begin to develop across the coastline and then move inland later in the afternoon, kind of clearing out the coast once again. The reason for all of that is a general westerly wind flow, which has not changed all week long. It's about to, though. This high-pressure ridge will eventually lift northward, and our winds will shift to a more southeasterly direction over the weekend. That'll take these showers, which build near the coast in the morning and then drift inland, and absolutely reverse their direction, so that by Saturday and especially Sunday, we'll start to see the showers form late in the day in inland areas and then drift back to the coastline. And there won't be too many of them because this trough of low pressure will also be decaying away. Drier air will be moving in. The upper level low, which encouraged those storms yesterday, will continue moving eastward. And all of those things combining together will bring us less rain chance just in time for the weekend. So for today and the next few days, we'll be looking at those morning showers that move inland. Then over the weekend, some drier air. And then we'll keep an eye on the tropics for next week. And the reason for that, I'll talk about in just a second. 78 degrees, our current air temperature, dew point 73, and a west-southwest wind. We have very little in the way of any kind of fire chance for the next several days. This is the area just off the coast of Nicaragua and Belize that is producing this low-pressure area and explosions of thunderstorms. Some computer models suggest development down the road. One does particularly, and the Canadian model does as well. So you've got the American model and the Canadian model, which tend to agree they have similar mathematics in them. And this will lift northward into Gulf waters and kind of follow a similar track to Alberto, according to those models. The other model, highly reliable European model, shows absolutely nothing at all happening. So we're kind of in that situation where, the antennas are kind of alerted just a little bit, and we'll continue to watch that area and see if anything does happen. But right now, National Hurricane Center has no projections in the 5 days ahead of anything developing. Southwest wind at about 10 knots, becoming more southwesterly and light at about 5 to 10 in the forecast for the next 7 days includes today and tomorrow, those rain chances in the morning, drifting inland, those showers, and then Saturday, a little bit drier. Sunday, significantly drier. I think a lot more sunshine around, fewer showers. They'll build inland late in the day and tend to drift back to the coast as they die out. And I think we'll keep it dry, too, for the beginning of next week.